Do you know people are aging faster year on year? Do you know aging faster is the body's signal on your lifestyle habits? See, habits that are developed in 20s and 30s determine your health during 50s and above. Harm that you are doing during your 20s and 30s are not visible until you hit 50s. Nowadays, it's much worse, wherein it is getting visible even during 40s. Sometimes the harm that you are doing during your 20s and 30s may lead to life threatening consequences as well. The constant consumption of fatty, highly processed food will add unhealthy levels of sodium, cholesterol, and fat to your body. Combined with this, stress, less sleep, consuming alcohol, smoking, and sedentary life makes the body even worse and makes your body to age faster. The signs of aging faster are dull skin, wrinkles in your skin, hair loss, brittle teeth, and many more. Right? So then, what is the solution? Solution is very simple, right? So everybody knows this. Actually, only thing is we are not following that. Start practicing healthy lifestyle early in your 20s. Good sleep, relax, take a moment to relax, right? The 30 to 1 hour, just to relax, don't do anything. Then physical activity, exposure to sun, and this will act as will improving your holistic health, right? Not only just your physical health, emotional, mental, and spiritual, and other things that are there, right? And make your everyday disease free. Apart from whatever I said, like sleep well, relax, you also try to eat mindfully, right? So wherein you chew your food thoroughly before swallowing, and also eat only when you are hungry, right? And many other things, right? So as well, even be some take some time to connect socially, and spend the quality time with your family. Don't wait till something hits on your health, and after that start practicing healthy habits. See, even a small action, right? Even a small action like taking a staircase on a daily basis, or exposing yourself to sunlight, or even for 5 minutes, even a small action like this can, over the period, it will become a practice, and it will become your habit, and it will lead to a healthy life. Uh, Other one I would suggest is start having millets as part of your diet. See, scientifically proven antioxidants in millets helps to slow down the aging process by fighting against the free radicals. Again, millets help in reducing aging process by improving your skin health, reducing hair loss, and it will make your nail flexible, and it will make your skin elasticity improved, so that your skin start glowing, right? It will look much younger. um, See, since millets are easy to cook and eat, and it can be, you can make anything with millets. Whatever you are making with rice and wheat can be made using millets. I'm not saying totally stop other grains and start with the millets. It can be combination of both, right? But try to start including millets as part of your diet, because it provides lot of health benefits. I'm talking about here more around skin care, anti-aging properties, and other things, right? Like reducing the weight loss and hair loss, even the weight loss. If you want to achieve that, also is possible using millets, right? And you can make millets as part of a integral part of your daily diet. Okay. See, why to spend millions of or why to spend a lot of money on cosmetic enhancement procedure while we have a simple solution to follow that is very easy to follow as well, right? Start following that. And apart from having following the healthy habits, start including superfoods like millets to achieve fitness and your health goals actually. And take small actions. That's enough actually. The only thing is consistency with that small action over the period will make a lot of a difference actually. Please do share this video and comment on any habits that you are following that can slow down the aging process. Okay, do subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, so that you will get more such useful videos in the coming future. Until next time, cheers, God bless, bye bye.